What's up, Royals? Welcome to Tonitra's Garden. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys an update on the tiny cut flower garden, the strip cut flower garden that I created. Has it even been a couple months? It might be a month, a little over a month, or maybe 2 months at the most. So I am going to give you guys a tour and update of what it's looking like. I am so excited. Let's get into it. All right, so here is my tiny cut flower garden. I think before I said this was about probably 9 feet. So yeah, it's just one strip. You can't tell now because I haven't cut the grass or anything, but this is just one strip of, what did I put down? I think I put some peat moss down. So I tilled the soil a little bit. I put some peat moss down, some fertilizer, and I put in some transplants and some seeds. Oop, we got bees all over here. The bees are loving this area. They're loving these sunflowers. We're gonna start off in the front. Over here in this front area, I actually put in some seeds. So all of these yellow and white zinnias, these are zinnias. I started them from seed out here and they are just now starting to bloom. So I'm super excited about that. Some of these are volunteers. This pink one is a volunteer. I had some pink zinnias in this garden bed this summer, and so I guess one of the seeds fell over here. So we've got a pink zinnia. We've got some scarlet zinnia that I put in here by transplant. And I have been picking, I have been cutting flowers from these scarlet zinnias already. They are just so beautiful. I am a little late coming to you guys with this video, so these flowers are not at their peak. I feel like they're a little bit past their peak, especially with these sunflowers back here, but we'll get to those. But as far as the zinnias and stuff, they're doing really good. Some of them are from seed and some of them are from transplant. I feel like next time I might stake the zinnias, or I might seed them a little bit heavier and see if that helps with them, if that helps with like the floppiness or anything. But I've been cutting them and putting them in the kitchen in a little vase. They are just a beauty. Let's move back. So back here, I have, what is this? This is a dwarf sunspot. OMG. So I have a video of this when it had first bloomed. So I'll put a video in right now, but these were so stinking gorgeous. And we have so many seeds. So I'm so excited to have seeds from these flowers because they were so pretty. I am absolutely going to grow them again in the spring. So now they're going to seed. These were the first things to bloom, so that's why they're dead and everything else is thriving, right? Okay, so moving back a little further, we have another variety of sunflowers. The bees are absolutely loving the sunflowers and the butterflies are absolutely loving the zinnias. So this is definitely a pollinator garden, but let me see what variety these are. Did I put, I'll have to check the variety, but OMG, these little dwarf sunflowers are so stinking adorable. They're different from these because these actually had like a yellow center, and these smaller sunflowers had a, I guess it would be like a brown black center. Oh, I absolutely love them. These would be so pretty. I haven't cut from them because I wanted you guys to see them, but they're starting to die. But I will be growing these again. I'll put it up on the screen what variety these are, but I'm so excited to save seeds from these. All of these flowers have just been brightening my mornings. So let's move back a little bit. And here we have Gomphrena. Hi there, hey girl. So I've never grown Gomphrena before, and I'm pleasantly surprised how much I actually like the blooms. Like, I don't know, they remind me of just like purple little gumballs. They're just so cute. So I would definitely grow these again. I didn't think that these were an annual, but they are. So I think these would look so cute in a cute little pot. Oh, so adorable. So these are Gomphrena. I'll put the specific variety on the screen, and I will be growing these again. I absolutely love them. And then last but not least, we have some volunteer zinnia. So I had zinnias on this corner of this back raised bed, and the seeds fell over here at this corner. So I just let them go ahead and do their thing. They're coming up nicely. Look at the color on that. So those are super pretty. I'm super excited for this color. I don't know. I feel like as far as the zinnias, they do really good when you put them in the ground by seed. They seem to be a lot stronger than the transplanted zinnias. But I feel like when you transplant your zinnias, they have a much better chance of surviving. So I still would do transplanting, but if I had the time and I had all summer, I would definitely start them from seed in early spring. So those are the volunteer zinnias, and yeah. All in all, I would definitely highly recommend just trying a tiny cut flower garden if you've never grown cut flowers before. I think it's a great learning process. You gotta learn where you can. You know, you don't have to have acres to grow cut flowers. So I am super excited to grow some other things here in the spring. And yeah, so if this video helped you out, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much to all the new subscribers. We're getting so many new people to this channel. So thank you for being here. I really appreciate you being here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.